How to change your iPhone audio source. For example, if you have multiple audio on your iPhone and you want to use your microphone, you can use this app and you can change the source. You can change the source from none to iPhone microphone, or the audio format. You can also change it to whatever you want, or you can also change the format from mono to stereo or dual mono or 4 channels, and then you can also change the sample rate, also the audio mastering, by using this app called Blackmagic Camera right here on Apple App Store. You can search it by just searching Blackmagic, and then it should be on the top right here. Blackmagic Camera, you can just download it. It's only 37 megabytes and it's one of the best camera app. It's just been recently updated too, so it's a very good app. It's still brand new, that's why the rating still sucks, but you know that this app will work just fine.